Big ass fucking I love you. I love you. What's going on, everybody? Today I'm taking you guys on a little vlog today, just chilling with the homies. We're doing a bunch of car stuff today, and just like the old days. Remember, I used to vlog all the time, and I'm gonna bring that back. So right now I'm actually going to go to a touchless wash, and we're going to wash the car because, you know, we just gotta look nice for what we're gonna do today. Oh, looky here, Jericho is already here. All right, let's pull up nice and close behind him. All right, we're gonna get the touch-free. Oh God, I can't even reach it. Get the touch-free.
Please insert payment now.
All right, so while we're in the wash, I want to talk about something that happened yesterday. So what happened was I experienced my first true fan interaction, and I posted a little bit about it on my Instagram, but I want to talk about it in this video. So what happened was I'm literally sitting at a light, and I hear to my right, my windows roll down, I hear to my right side, these guys just kind of screaming, oh, it's him, it's him, it's him. And, you know, automatically I look at them and I look this way. So I'm all like, oh, who's him? You know, like is this someone I should know? I look this way, no one's there. I look back and they're at my window. They're literally at my window, and then they're screaming. They're like, oh my God, Jaydon Wong, I love your videos. And I was freaking out. So the first instinct was for me to grab my camera and start recording. So I'll show you guys that clip right now. I love you, Jaydon Wong, I love you. Oh my God. Hey, it's a good video, guys.
Oh my God, I love you, bro. I love you.
You guys watch the channel, or?
I do. I love your videos.
Appreciate you guys.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. You, bro. I see you, man.
Later, man. Hey, y'all have a good one.
Hey, you too.
It just got really loud because all the water is hitting the car right now. Hope you guys can hear me. Shit, loud as hell. I'm sorry I didn't grab your guys' names, but you guys are in this video, and I hope you guys, I appreciate you guys so much, because that was truly my first ever interaction like that, and I'm just grateful for it. I guess it just makes me kind of just it shows me that all the work that I've been putting in over the past 2 years, it's very slowly starting to pay off, and I'm truly grateful for that. I'm grateful for you guys, even all you guys who just watch the videos and all the views I get for the other videos. Appreciate you guys all the time, and I know my views are a little bit inconsistent. Oh my God, look at this. Yo, there's just something about being in a car wash in your car. That's something. But regardless, I'm grateful for even the small bit of you guys that watch the videos all the time, and you know, I'm just grateful. So thank you guys so much for that, and that experience was amazing. Everybody's here. Let's go say hi. Hey, you wanna see what happened? What happened? Look. Hey, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Holy shit! Oh fuck, dude, bro. Hey, anybody got a drill? Anybody got a drill? We can just tilt the car. All right, guys, let's drive the car, and then we'll meet up with everybody else. What the fuck? Yo, it's fucking so. Bro. Oh my God. Oh, bro, there's no fucking way. Oh, is it fast? Oh my God. Damn. Yo, that's all soap, bro. Holy shit. God damn it. All right, everybody, we picked up some more of the gang, and we got a couple new people. We got Danny here with his Tesla, Chris, Andy. I picked up those guys. Now we're heading on the freeway, and I'm gonna give you guys a couple of rollers. I try to get them, but I got you guys. All right, enjoy. Alright, so I didn't tell you guys yet, but the plan today is we're actually just having a barbecue with the guys, and it's a Super Bowl day today, so we're doing that. Right now, we're actually just stopped by this spot. We're up in Smeckler right now. We're up in this spot, and we're taking I guess photos right now. You guys know me. If you guys don't know me, I don't really like taking photos in my car. I don't know why, it's just me. Usually Jan does for me, or anyone who offers to take a photo of my car. I'm always down, but me personally, I'm not gonna take a photo of my car. I don't know why, but because I prefer videos, that's why. So I always take videos of my cars, but I don't think I'll take a photo of my car. Maybe like I'll take a quick pic, but if you look at my iPhone, I barely have any like videos. I mean, any photos. I have a lot of videos. But yeah, basically what we have here is we have the San Diego gang, and then we have Hunter, he's my cousin, and his Temecula gang. But yeah, we have Jan's car here, but everyone's here. So we got Danny, Justin, Andy, me, that's Tyler. Hunter's my cousin with the Mazda Speed 3, Chris and Alana, Jericho. Then we got Hunter's friends, Pinto, Anthony, and Dakota. Yeah, pretty cool day with the guys and girls. So today we're actually, I'll probably pick it up when we get to Hunter's house, but maybe if anything funny happens, I'll show you guys.
Yeah, you feel me? You think I was done with 2? Nah,
Bro, no way.
Got the handy cam?
Well.
What the
Big ass
fuck is
fucking
going on
camera.
here?
Well. Mr. Jaydon Wong is getting in his car. Check me out.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
You have a tome?
Un chico nugget, please.
You have a tome? Yeah, people like this angle. Yeah, you like that? Hey, there's a big thingy right here.
Do it, yeah.
Oh, bro.
Let me see the work, Justin.
Oh, you want to see it, bro? I'll show you. Oh, bro. Hold up. Hey, man, it's kind of windy. This is not ideal in use in the wind. But I'll show you how it's done, bro. Check me out. Is it recording? I don't know. You feel me? That shit hit, bro.
Oh my god.
I'll show you.
Why is it upside down?
I don't know, man. Oh, pans back onto the car.
And then it's gonna transition to the drone. Ready? It's gonna be like, hey guys, we got a drone. Here we go. Okay guys, we went to the store to get more meat, and
More meat in the, bro, it's like a sausage party.
it's a sausage. This how you know. It's how you know that we need to lose some weight. When the dash says suspension system problem. We got Jericho here, me. I think where's Jen at? Oh, there's Jen. I think there's Candy, Matthew, Justin, Alana. Oh, Bone. Oh! Hey Justin, can you move a little bit? No, huh? You're mine. Hey, stroke that thing, cuz. And what if I flicker nuts right here?
Oh my god.
I think I could see it. Why do you
Oh my legs.
Welcome to the land.
Oh my hand. Ah. I got Justin on my hand.
There's no way.
Hey, look at the tucking.
I love you, Jeff.
Watch when Jan gets out.
Ow.
Yo, I love you.
You seen everything we got?
We got so much shit. bro.
Guys, I didn't really get an outro in the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. This little vlog thing. It's something I really want to incorporate more onto the channel, besides kind of just straight up modding my car. More about, you know, carrying on the camera, showing my life, and cars being a big part of it. But don't worry, all the videos that I usually do aren't gonna stop. I just want to throw in some more variety of it, so you guys can just, you know, instead of those kind of just basic videos, I want you guys to just kind of grow with me. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, let me know if you guys like these style of videos, or if you just like the vlogs in general. Anyways, thanks guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.